Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use leverage on interactive brokers. Leverage enables you to trade with more capital than you deposit, potentially increasing your returns. However, it also magnifies risk, so understanding its mechanics is crucial. Interactive brokers provides tools to manage this, but careful consideration of your risk tolerance is paramount. Always ensure you comprehend the implications before engaging in leverage trading. Interactive brokers offers different margin account types, such as Reg T and portfolio margin, each with distinct requirements. Initial margin is the capital you need to open a leverage trade, while maintenance margin is the minimum equity required to keep it open. You can view specific margin requirements for each instrument directly within the trading platform. Understanding these figures is essential for managing your exposure effectively. To place a leverage trade, first select a marginable instrument like stocks, options, or futures. When entering your order, the platform will display the initial and maintenance margin requirements for your chosen position size. Always review these figures carefully before executing. Consider using risk management tools such as stop-loss orders to limit potential losses, as leverage can significantly amplify market movements. Effective risk management is vital when using leverage. Continuously monitor your margin utilization and account equity to stay informed. If your account equity drops below the maintenance margin, you may face a margin call, requiring additional funds or position reduction. Failure to meet a margin call can lead to forced liquidation of your positions. Always have a clear exit strategy and manage your risk exposure diligently.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.